In this video you will learn how to set up a connection profile for a database in SQL Central tool for a SQL Anywhere database. Click to define connection profile. Click New. Enter a name. Click OK. Enter host name. Click Ping. Pinged successfully. Click OK. Enter port number. Default is 2638. Enter server name. Enter database name. Click Tools drop down to Test. Test successfully. Click OK. Click Save. Click Set Startup to Yes. Startup is automatic now. Click Close. Right-click and disconnect. Click Disconnect. Click Close. Double-click on SQL Central icon. The database is connected to automatically by connection profile. Subscribe to my channel if you liked this video.